Verth. Ever had a gut feeling that saved you from a disaster? Or that perfect answer just popped into your head during a test? That's intuition, and it's not magic. It's a brain-engineered shortcut that can make you faster, smarter, and more confident. Stay with me, and I'll show you the science behind that inner voice and how to train it to work for you. Welcome back to Education Vlog, the place where we learn, grow, and succeed together. I'm your name, Nepest. We've tackled memory hacks, time blocking, and creative brainstorming. Today we're unlocking one of the brain's most mysterious superpowers, intuition. So, what exactly is intuition? Put simply, it's rapid pattern recognition. Your brain has been silently cataloging millions of experiences your entire life. When a new situation resembles a past one, it fires off a prediction in milliseconds way, before you can even consciously articulate why. Stink. If it has your brain's autopilot that runs on subconscious data, it's not a mystical sixth sense. It's your brain connecting dots you didn't even know you'd collected. A sudden feeling that a business deal seems off, or that one specific study guide is the key to your and that's your subconscious pattern matcher at work, giving you a lightning-fast summary of years of hidden learning. D. This idea is brilliantly captured by psychologist and Nobel laureate Daniel Kahneman. In his dual process model of thinking, he describes two systems operating in our minds. System 1 is fast, automatic, emotional, and often subconscious. This is your intuition, your gut feeling. It's the lightning bolt. Then there's System 2. This is your slow, deliberate, analytical mind, DELI. It's the part of you that solves complex math problems, weighs pros and cons, and engages in conscious reasoning. It's the gears turning. When you get a gut feeling, that's System 1 flagging a pattern it recognizes. The job of System 2 is to then step in and either accept, question, or override that initial hunch. To best decisions, the most insightful breakthroughs happen when these two systems talk to each other, not when one completely dominates the conversation. It's a dance between instinct and intellect. But here's a critical warning. Intuition is powerful, but it's not perfect. It's biased. Because your brain loves shortcuts, it can sometimes be hijacked by cognitive biases that lead you astray. For example, there's confirmation bias, where you unconsciously favor information that fits what you already believe and ignore evidence that contradicts it. Then there's the availability heuristic, where vivid, recent, or emotionally charged events feel more likely or more important than they actually are. Think about how watching a plane crash movie might make you feel nervous about flying, even though it's statistically very safe. T. And finally, there's overconfidence bias, where you trust a hunch even when you're in a completely unfamiliar domain, a field where you have no expertise. The result of these biases: bad investments, missed deadlines, or that classic moment of regret. I knew it was a bad idea, but I ignored that little warning sign. The key isn't to stop trusting your gut. The key is awareness learning, to recognize when a gut feeling might actually be a bias in disguise. The good news: you can absolutely train your intuition to be sharper, more accurate, and more reliable. It's a skill, not a gift. Here are 5 evidence-backed habits you can start today. First, deliberate pattern practice. Pick a skill you want to improve. Maybe it's solving physics problems, reading financial statements, or even interpreting social cues. Do quickfire rounds, where you make a first-guess decision, then immediately check your work with facts and logic. Over time, doing this repeatedly builds richer, more accurate pattern libraries in your brain, making your intuitive guesses much smarter. Second, start an intuition journal. After you make any significant decision, take a moment to write down the hunch you felt, what the eventual outcome was, and any data you might have ignored or prioritized. Review this journal weekly. You'll start to see clear patterns about which types of hunches are reliable for you and which ones are just noise. Third, practice the mindful pause. Just a 5-minute meditation each day can work wonders. Quieting the mental chatter of your busy mind is crucial. Studies show that mindfulness practices increase activity in the insula, a region of the brain that registers your gut signals. DES makes those intuitive feelings clearer and easier to distinguish from random anxiety. Fourth, Seek out diverse experiences. This is the fun one. Travel. Read books way outside your usual genre. Talk to people from different fields, backgrounds, and cultures. Every new experience, every new perspective, expands the pool of patterns your brain can draw from. The more diverse your mental library, the more creative and accurate your intuition becomes. Fifth, practice micro-decision drills. In low-stakes moments, force yourself to decide in under 10 seconds. Which email should you answer first? Which route should you take to the grocery store? Make the snap call, and then briefly reflect on the result. Did it work out? Why or why not? This builds your decision-making speed and helps you calibrate your intuitive compass in a safe environment. So how does this all play out in the real world? Students can use their intuition to spot the most promising angle for an essay, then use System 2 to verify it with solid research and evidence. Product managers might trust a gut feeling about a new feature's appeal, but they don't stop there. They run a rapid prototype test to confirm it with real user data. And for professionals, like surgeons and pilots, their rigorously trained intuition allows them to make split-second safety decisions, which are backed by thousands of hours of simulation and practice. In every single case, intuition is the powerful first filter, which is then followed by data-driven validation. So, let's do a quick recap. To train your intuition, remember these 5 habits. Deliberate pattern practice, keeping an intuition journal, taking a mindful pause, seeking diverse experiences, and doing micro-decision drills. By pairing your fast intuitive System 1 with your slow analytical System 2, you'll start making faster, more accurate, and more confident choices in every area of your life. If this video helped you understand your own gut feelings a little better, please hit that like button, subscribe to Education Vlog, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new brain hack. And I've got a freebie for you. Comment intuition down below, and I'll email you my decision-making workbook, which includes templates for journaling, bias checks, and quick drill worksheets to get you started. Next up, we're tackling a big one: how to build unshakable focus in a distracted world. I'll see you there.